Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we keep it real with tech reviews that help you spend smarter and live safer. Today we're talking about a product that's part light, part camera, and 100% peace of mind. It's the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, an all-in-one security solution that's built to light up your yard and keep an eye on everything happening outside your home. But how well does it work in real-world use? Is it a must-have for your smart home setup, or just another overpriced gadget? Let's break it all down. The features, the flaws, and whether this floodlight cam is worth your money in 2024. Design and build, tough, functional, and familiar. So let's start with the design. If you've seen other Ring products before, this one feels right in line. The Floodlight Cam Wired Plus has a sturdy, industrial design that looks like a traditional outdoor floodlight, but smarter. You've got two adjustable LED floodlights, a 1080p HD camera in the center, a built-in siren, and a motion sensor beneath the lens. It's available in black or white, with weather-resistant housing that holds up great in rain, snow, or heat. Everything feels solid and made to last, which is exactly what you want from an outdoor security device. Installation, wired but not complicated. Now, heads up, this model is hardwired, so you will need an existing junction box for installation. If you're replacing an old floodlight, it's a pretty straightforward swap. But if you're not comfortable working with electrical wiring, you might want to call an electrician just to be safe. Once installed, you'll connect it to your Wi-Fi, download the Ring app, and walk through the setup process, which is, honestly, really smooth. Ring's app is super user-friendly and gets you up and running in under 15 minutes. And once it's up, you'll start seeing exactly what's going on outside your home, day or night. Video quality, crisp, clear, and wide-angled. Let's talk about the camera. You get 1080p HD video, which is more than enough for most home security needs. The picture is sharp, colors are accurate, and the 140-degree field of view gives you wide coverage, enough to capture your driveway, front yard, or backyard without needing a second cam. Night vision is also solid. You'll see clearly even in total darkness, thanks to the camera's infrared capabilities and those 2,000 lumen LED floodlights that can be triggered by motion. Bottom line, the camera does a great job giving you a clear, wide, and reliable view of your outdoor space. Motion detection, smart and customizable. One of the biggest strengths of this cam is its advanced motion detection. You can set up custom motion zones through the app, so the camera only triggers alerts where you want it to. For example, just your driveway and front steps, but not the street or sidewalk. It's responsive, fast, and avoids false alarms from passing cars or wind-blown trees, which is huge if you don't want your phone blowing up every 10 minutes. When motion is detected, you'll get an instant notification on your phone, and you can jump into the live view, talk to whoever's there, or sound the siren if needed. Floodlights and siren, bright and loud. When it counts. The floodlights are seriously bright, 2,000 lumens bright. That's enough to light up a full driveway or backyard and make anyone walking up to your property think twice. They kick on automatically when motion is detected at night, and you can also turn them on manually through the app. There's also a built-in siren, which is about 105 decibels, loud enough to get attention fast. You can activate it remotely from the app if you see something suspicious. The combination of bright lights, sharp video, and a loud siren makes this a powerful deterrent, not just a passive camera. App features and integration, smart, smooth, and useful. The Ring app is where this device really shines. You can view live video feeds, rewatch motion events with a subscription, talk to people using two-way audio, turn on lights or the siren, adjust motion zones and schedules. It also integrates beautifully with Alexa-enabled devices, so you can say things like, "Alexa, show me the backyard," and pull up a live feed on your Echo Show. It plays nice with other Ring devices too, so if you've got a doorbell cam or indoor cameras, you can manage them all in one place. What we liked. Excellent video quality, day and night. Super bright floodlights. customizable motion zones, reliable notifications and live view, two-way talk and siren for active response, Alexa integration and multi-device support, solid weatherproof design. All the key features work smoothly, and for a single device security setup, this offers a lot of peace of mind. What could be better? Requires hardwiring, not plug and play. No local storage, cloud subscription required for recordings. No 2K or 4K video, just 1080p. Siren isn't automatic. You have to trigger it manually. Some features locked behind Ring Protect plan. Speaking of that, if you want to record and save videos, you'll need the Ring Protect plan, which starts at about $4 a month. Not outrageous, but something to factor into your total cost. Who's it for? The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is perfect for homeowners looking for strong outdoor security, people who already have Ring or Alexa smart devices, anyone wanting active protection, not just recording, those with existing wired outdoor light fixtures. It's not ideal if you need battery power or want ultra-high resolution, but for most households, this checks all the major boxes, and then some. Final verdict. So, is the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus worth it? If you're looking for a smart outdoor camera that can light up the night, keep an eye on your property, and actively deter intruders, this one hits the sweet spot. It's reliable, smart, and built to last. Just know that you'll need an existing wired connection and a subscription if you want the full experience. We're giving the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus a solid 9 out of 10. It's a powerful mix of security, smarts, and simplicity, all wrapped up in a single device. If this sounds like the upgrade your home security setup needs, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and customer reviews on Amazon. No pressure, just take a peek and decide if it's the right fit for your space. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next no-fluff tech review. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.